my computer mouse pad. This is my hand. As we bring this Magic the Gathering card in, which you probably had seen already, as we remove it, we see, okay, this card has been identified. It's the Underdark Basilisk. It's 18 cents. And then just to make sure that I'm not hard coding Underdark Basilisk, 18 cents, we'll bring in Sudden Insight. Sudden Insight's worth 21 cents. And then one more we can bring in. We see that Magic Missile is worth 25 cents. So awesome. High rollers, great. This is a really cool program, really fun. Right now, it's only focusing on the Adventures of the Forgotten Realms. It just makes it a little bit easier. I did include the option to select a set. So this is a prompt that you're given when the program is running. Basically, you can select from all the sets. It just makes it so that rather than looking through hundreds of thousands of cards that have been released by Magic the Gathering, because I'm opening Magic the Gathering sets or packs, I know that they're all coming from the same set, so I can fine tune it to a specific set.